Okay, for this question, y equals to x cubed multiplied with x squared plus 2 to the power of 1 over 2. What we have to do is using product rules, because we have to function in terms of product. Okay, so once we would like to find the dy dx, okay, so vu prime plus uv prime. So v is x squared plus 2 to the power of 1 over 2, and we differentiate our u, we're gonna get 3x squared plus u is x cubed, and for the v prime we need to use the general power rules. Okay, so for the general power rules, bring down the power, copy down the function and the power minus with 1, and we differentiate the inside function, we have 2x. Okay, so now let us factorize. Okay, just before we factorize, we can simplify 1 over 2 with 2x. So we're gonna have x there. Okay, and if we multiply x cubed with this x, we're gonna have x to the power of 4. Okay, so now let us factorize. So we have x squared, and this is x to the power of 4. So we can factorize x squared, and this is x squared plus 2 to the power of 1 over 2, and x squared plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So we're going to factorize x squared plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So we're going to have x squared plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now let us think what is left for us is 3, and this is negative 1 over 2. What should we do to get power 1 over 2? We should multiply with x squared plus 2 to the power of 1, because negative 1 over 2 plus 1 is positive 1 over 2. Okay, so plus with, and we already factorized x squared out, so what is left for us is x squared. Okay, let us simplify this. X squared over set x squared plus 2, and expand, we're gonna have 4x squared plus 6. Okay, let us factorize 2 out from here. Okay, we're gonna have 2x squared plus 3 over with set x squared plus 2.